So it is the last weekend of summer, and I thought there's no better way to celebrate than to come to a canoe access only waterfall with my friend Dustin. And we're out here gonna have some grilled cheese sandwiches and go on a little adventure. So follow along with us. Let's go. I don't know, let's ride. I have no way to end these things.
Autobots assemble.
It's slick, soft, and surprisingly deep. So we are underway. I'm here crossing the river with my buddy Dustin, who's in behind in the little red kayak there. And we're headed across the river. We're gonna go up a creek and we're going to end at a canoe access only waterfall. Probably have some lunch. Yeah, not much really needs to be said. We should give him a wave. Perfect. It is the last day or last weekend of summer, so yeah, it makes sense. But I was expecting cooler. Yeah, even feeling that breeze right off the water.
Yeah.
Enough with the small talk.
Yeah.
Here we are. We're paddling up the creek now, and not only are we headed to a canoe access only waterfall, this whole creek is canoe access only, and this is probably the most popular day paddle in all the lower mainland. And it's not some crazy wild backcountry trip. I'm not trying to pretend that it is. This is actually where I learned how to canoe way back in the Scouts days when I was a young boy. So the water is very low today, which is not surprising considering it is the end of a long dry summer. But it is interesting because it does give us a different perspective than paddling at full height water. So that's kind of cool. And so are these birds.
Yeah, it's always alarming when you see a lot of people walking. So yeah, there's no way. I didn't wear proper shoes, so I'm barefoot.
Oh shit. I brought my river shoes and I brought hiking shoes.
I got flip-flops, but it's like I don't want to wear it. There's black water in my feet. Yeah. It's all good. It's all good. Hey, you got your boat back. So remember last time we were here? Maybe it wasn't last time, but when the guy sank the good job?
Yeah. I've got an idea.
Okay. Do you want to park, or do you want to go up for a minute and see what?
What?
Do you want to park, or do you want to go up a minute and see if we can maybe even find a beach or the trail to the trail?
Oh, that'd be sweet.
So we are on shore. Dustin is, what are you doing?
Rolling some joints.
Rolling some joints, and we're pretty much, other than that, we're ready to head up, go to the waterfall. Oh, this is a spot.
Yeah, this is the spot to camp.
Yeah, there's no camping beyond that point already.
Yeah, head steady.
Yeah, this is a spot.
Yeah.
When the water's high, probably be deeper.
Yeah. Looks like it's quite clear. Yeah, you can like.
That's dope. It's almost like we're there.
Yeah.
Oh, what an asshole. Fucking runs up the thing. He did say that. What do you think about this rock?
So when you start down there and see that uprooted tree,
Yeah.
and when you bring it up to here, you can see the moss line. So that full-size tree was trying to grow on this rock.
And then it just tipped over.
Roots.
What? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty rad,
And
actually.
then if you look down here, it's a big rock. Like,
Big rock, big forest. Want me to take a new profile picture for you? You should look this way. Hit him with that blue steel. Let's see these trees. That would be exactly like the one we saw earlier.
isn't it amazing these rocks just like end up here?
Yeah.
That's a little bit slippery.
What do you think?
It's beautiful.
I don't want to go down there. Prime's pretty good.
And here I go making some grilled cheese sandwiches. Obviously, they're pretty simple. Cheese, butter, and a loaf of bread. But let me tell you what, every other one of these fools eating trail mix on this waterfall was jealous of our nice, hot, fresh, gooey grilled cheese sandwiches. And that's all I got to say about that.
Sucks, it's just catching me looking like a fucking buffoon. It's just a character I play on live.
Yeah.
Yeah. Little flip. Oh no. This cheese isn't gonna be very melted. The last time I made grilled cheeses, they like all worked out good. Grilled cheese number 1 done. Started a little rough.
And
Yeah, finished strong. It's actually some pretty good grilled cheese. So what do you say?
Perfect.
Yeah, doesn't get any better than this. So that's the end of this video. Grilled cheese sandwiches, canoe access only waterfall. Peace.